Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 coolant leak issue and what may be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A coolant leak in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as coolant puddles under the truck, a low coolant warning, engine overheating, or a sweet smell coming from the engine bay. Verified owner reports and service information show that coolant leak concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine design, cooling system components, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause involves radiator or hose-related leaks. Upper and lower radiator hoses, heater hoses, and hose connections can degrade over time due to heat and pressure, leading to visible leaks or slow coolant loss. Another confirmed cause relates to radiator failure. Cracks in the radiator core or end tanks have been documented, especially in higher mileage vehicles or those exposed to harsh driving conditions, resulting in coolant seepage or sudden leaks. Water pump-related issues are also a documented factor. Worn seals or bearings within the water pump can allow coolant to leak, sometimes leaving residue near the front of the engine or dripping underneath the vehicle. Coolant reservoir or reservoir cap problems have also been reported. Cracked overflow tanks or caps that no longer hold proper pressure can cause coolant loss without obvious external leaks. Heater core or heater hose leaks are another verified consideration. In some cases, coolant leaks inside the cabin may cause fogging on windows or damp carpeting, depending on the location of the leak. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include gasket-related seepage, thermostat housing leaks, or residual coolant from previous repairs being mistaken for an active leak. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include pressure testing the cooling system, inspecting hoses and connections, checking radiator and water pump condition, examining the coolant reservoir and cap, and repairing or replacing leaking components once identified. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 coolant leak issues are resolved through hose, radiator, or water pump replacement rather than internal engine repair. However, experiences vary by model year, engine configuration, and how early the leak is detected. In conclusion, Ford F-150 coolant leaks are typically linked to aging hoses, radiator wear, water pump issues, or cooling system component failure. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.